All right, guys, this is just a review week from everything that we have done. And we are stepping it up a little bit because we're going to play some games from first grade. Okay, so don't be scared. You guys can do this. Now, you guys are probably better at this game than I am because I keep making lots of mistakes when it comes to, well, playing with this crazy little ball. Okay, so we are going to go back to ABC just like on Monday. And what we're going to do is we're going to play a game where you have to decode the words and then actually click on the right word. Okay, so here we go. It is in do-it-yourself part. It is the only game that I posted. I know on Monday you had two. This week you're going to have today you're going to have one. Okay, so over here you're going to click play. Now there's two different ways of playing this game. I'm going to show you both of them. Okay, I'm going to click on arcade. I'm going to start with easy just because it's Miss Santana and I like to start with easy and then step it up as I get good.
April.
Now, if you scroll up here and you hear that crazy music, I can't hear the word that she's telling me, so I'm going to turn it off. Ah, so much better. Okay? Now I'm going to go down here to go ahead and have her repeat the word that she wants.
April.
April, like the month. April. Ooh, that might be it. Apparel. Ooh. April. Now check this out. Over here we have this little, the one that we selected, and here I have this ball with a little slingshot. I click on the ball and I move it around with my mouse. Okay. Ah! You little. And it has little things to make it a little hard, but you're supposed to hit the ball. Ta-da! I got it.
Children.
Children. Okay. Children. 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 Here we go. So I'm trying to avoid this guy because he's not very easy. Ha-ha! Got it.
From.
From. From. From. I think it's this one. Ah. Telling you, you guys are probably gonna get better at this than I am. Believe. Believe. No. Believe. Like leave. No. This one. Okay, so the words are a little harder, but I think you guys can do this. Oh, come on, Miss Santana. You can do this. Come on. For the love of Pete the Cat. Got it. Yes.
Swimming.
So you have a lot of words that you can do. You have, then the time is running out over here. So play around with what it does. Now I'm going to show you when we do the other one. So this one was the arcade version. Okay. Let it load real quick for me. Lottie-dottie-dottie. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I can't count this fast. Okay. So that was the arcade one. The practice one is different, so here we go. I'm going to start with easy.
Looked.
I'm going to turn off the music and I'm going to have her repeat the word for me.
Looked.
Looked. Okay, now I know the sight word look and then the ending of ed, which one is this one. But I can't click on them this time around. I actually have to go ahead and shoot the ball at the actual piñata over here. Oh, I got the wrong one. Now, is it a big deal? No. I'm just really terrible at this, that's all. There we go.
People.
People. Okay, I'm just going to tell you which one it is. Just, come on. Oh, come on. I know it's this one on top. No, not that one. No, it's in the middle. See, teachers make mistakes too. Already. Now, I know that most of you are going to go ahead and try to do it with this one over here. But that's not how you spell the word already. Okay? always. Okay? This is a first grade sight word.
Soon.
Good job. Okay, now
Name.
you can keep playing it. We just did 5 out of 166 different words. So there's a lot of words you can practice. Now, is it a big deal if you don't get through all of them? No, it's just for fun. This is practice, right? Now, if you can get to all 166, woo, that's super awesome. Let me know what actually happens because I've never played it that long. But if you do it, awesome. Let me know, okay? Okie dokie, friends. So that is what we're going to do for our do-it-yourself. It's a game. I hope you guys like it. And I will see you, well, next year, I guess. All right. See you guys later.